So, good evening, all. I am going to take the topic about the Schmitt trigger. What is the use of Schmitt trigger? Let us do some live example. Let us have a example for this. We are taking the graph for the heart patient. No, if it coming as a peak wave, it is said to be the normal. But if coming under the square wave, it is said to be a abnormal conditional of the patient. That is what we are going to see. The purpose of Schmitt trigger is used to convert any irregular shape or any regular shape input waveform into square waveform output. That is what the purpose of Schmitt trigger operation. It is basically an inverting comparator circuit with a positive feedback. The use of regenerative circuit is used to improve the difficulties in a zero crossing detector circuit due to low frequency signals and input noise voltages. Also, it is also Schmitt trigger circuit is also called as a regenerative comparator circuit. Also, the use of positive voltage feedback instead of negative feedback aids the feedback voltage to the input voltage instead of opposing it. This is also a squaring circuit. Let us see this Schmitt trigger with this op-amp. That is what one input voltage is connected to the inverting terminal and other input is connected to the non-inverting terminal, both having the voltage across with resistors, and then this op-amp is also includes that feedback resistance from input to output. That is what this we already mentioned that Schmitt trigger is also known as regenerative comparator circuit, and also it is known as a comparator with positive feedback. Okay, suppose if we take the sine wave as the input, it converts the square wave. How it converts the square wave means if it crosses the sine wave with the positive half cycle, the output that is ends with this opposite polarity. That is, if you gave the sine wave as a opposite polarity and this square wave as a opposite polarity. Next one is what? Precision. That is precision half wave rectifiers and full wave rectifiers. What is the purpose of rectifiers? It converts AC input into the DC output voltage. That is what the main purpose